everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink a Monday.
Yeah.
And today we have Orange Mango Naturally Flavored Prime Energy Drink.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Can't wait.
Gosh, this should be interesting. Doesn't seem like we've tried one, but maybe we have. I don't know. Either way, we're gonna
go the wrong direction.
Oh dear. Anyways, we're gonna try this one today. So looking at the important factoids, we got to say it's 10 calories. We got 55 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of carbohydrate. We got 56 milligrams of calcium, 132.7. Interesting that we had to get the 0.7 in there. Milligrams of potassium, 2.55 milligrams of B6, 3.6 micrograms of B12, 56.3 milligrams of magnesium, and I believe it was the 200 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Not too bad.
Alright. That opened up. And this is a 12-ounce can, so 200 milligrams in a 12-ounce can.
Yeah.
This is what that is.
$1.25 from the old Dollar Tree.
Ooh, smells pretty good. Clear, so it doesn't have any artificial dyes or whatnot that we might die from.
Touche.
Who knows? Oh, wow. Wow.
Nice sparkle. What was the calories tonight again?
10 calories per serving, which is the entire can. So
That's cool.
wow, that is a great blend of orange and mango. I mean, that's basically like an orange mango smoothie almost. Is texture-wise is what you get, but very, very nice on the orange and mango. Very sweet.
It's like Diet Mango Loco.
Yeah, it's almost, yeah. Just without the juice aspect to it. And very smooth.
Yeah. Big fan. Big fan. That's a good one.
Yep. Very, very smooth.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
I think I would grab more of those.
I would too, yeah. Wow. Because, I mean, it gets you that same fizz you get from a soda, so that's very helpful because it's dusty down here in Florida. We get all the acorns that fell, and so all that's getting chopped up at the most. So
Miserable.
exactly. So having bubbles is extremely nice. So, but very smooth on the flavor, not overly too sweet, but very nice. I'd almost say it's more tangerine orange for the mango than orange, or maybe they have a little tangerine in there too.
I think I've noticed less mango, more tangerine.
Yeah. So, anyways, more citrus flavored with just a little bit of mango. But anyways, very, very tasty. So, I would recommend. For 10 little calories, that's very good.
Yeah.
So, anyways,
good one though.
Yep, very tasty. So I like it. I'd say SOD 392 because that one is definitely very nice to be able to sip on and taste when it's ice cold. And I can,
We're just partial to the orange mango.
Well, yes. So basically, almost anyone that does that is pretty good. But that one is really impressive with only 10 calories, and that's how good it tastes.
Right.
So that's really impressive. So definitely like that. So, anyways, check it out. Let you know what you think about the Prime. And we'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.